How's it going this Christmas Eve, y'all? Von Clovis back again with another unboxing. This one here is also another scaled helmet. This one, my last one that I got was Luke Skywalker. This one is Captain Antilles. Let's go ahead and get it. This box is kind of big. It was a bit hard to keep it in the shot. Quite huge box. But as we seen yesterday, the scaled helmets are a lot bigger than I expected. And that's actually a good thing. I'm actually on lunch from work right now and got the notification that this was delivered, so I decided I'm gonna go ahead and go on my lunch so that way I could do an unboxing video. This one, I believe, has been opened, so it still has its original wrapping, but it definitely has been opened before and displayed. So this one's not as premium. Oh, it comes with a box and everything. This one, the Captain Antilles. Absolutely epic. You could tell the box has. Oh, and it even it doesn't show the front like the normal the Luke Skywalker one. This one here says it's a 30th anniversary convention exclusive. Was the other one also a convention exclusive? Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. I didn't read the box. Alright, let's go ahead and pull them on out. Ooh, this one is epic. Absolutely epic. Yes. Yes. I'm 100% satisfied with this helmet. Also moves just like the Luke. And it tells you which pilot it belongs to. This thing is epic. Let's go put this away. Okay. Sounds good. Man, this helmet is so awesome. The detail is gorgeous. And this one comes off as well. Pop it out of there. And then you can see inside of the helmet all the padding. Oh man, this is absolutely epic. I love the detail to make it look like it's old and worn. I mean, I guess that's just kind of how Captain Antilles' helmet looked, wearing it into many battles. There's that one. Oh yeah. And here is what they look like next to one another. Luke Skywalker and Captain Antilles. Absolutely epic. Some of the best props that I've bought. Oh, so what's cool, the Luke Skywalker is just a normal crop of the run. Doesn't have any kind of numbered, isn't special, really. Now, the Wedge is in fact a 30th anniversary exclusive. So this one is a little bit more collector's item in my opinion, especially because it says limited edition. There were only 1,500 copies of this helmet made, and I have one of them. It doesn't have which number it is, but it does say one of 1,500 for sure. So that's really cool. I'm definitely extremely happy with these helmets. I love these blast shields, how they come down. Really awesome. Alright, y'all. Definitely have a Merry Christmas. Appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe.